Oh my gosh, you guys, here's a little baby bird right here, right by our door. Oh my gosh, what happened? So the girls went outside, closed the screen door, and then they heard a pluck, and then they looked down, and it was a baby bird. It was trying to, I think it flew, it was flying, it was trying, it thought that our door was open, I guess, so it wanted to come inside. So now where is it? Oh, it's hiding behind the boot. Aww, poor thing. He's hurt now. Poor thing. He's just kind of by the corner. We have to find some bird food to give it to him. What is going on? That was the craziest thing.
And it was in the blue sky.
Yeah, it was in the blue sky.
Oh my god, I need to pick it up.
No, don't pick it up. Just let it stay there. It's going to get scared of us. Oh my gosh, what are we going to do? Just leave it there until it flies away? Oh my gosh. Oh, is that the mommy? Because if we touch it, then it's going to smell different. So its mom won't want it anymore. So we have to leave it. He probably has a hurt foot. Poor thing. Poor thing.
Oh, so cute. Hi, little buddy. I say hi to the little buddy.
Yeah.
Hi, little buddy. The little buddy can't talk.
Nope.
But his mama can talk. And his dada can
He's
talk.
just looking at you. Here he is.
Mommy, I got my playhouse so you can play in there.
Oh, you want him to play on your castle?
I got it.
Oh my god, there he is. Let's see his foot. Oh, both feet looks fine. Yeah. He was trying to fly into our house because he thought it was open. He just fell right in front of you guys.
Yeah, and the wing touching my feet.
For real.
The wing touches his feet. And that's why you can see a little bit of a wing part right here. Can you wait out to see?
Where?
It's a little black right here. Oh, hi, little buddy. Well, we better not disturb it. Send that
Oh,
message
poor
to,
thing.
Send it to Uncle Peng. Send it
Poor
to
thing.
Uncle Peng.
Okay.
Mommy, send it to Uncle Peng.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh no! He flew! And then he hit the fence. What is this, guy? Is he just a baby? Doesn't know how to fly? Where is he now? There he is. Oh, see?
See?
Maybe he's a baby and he fell out of his nest. Is he a pigeon or something?
Aha! I know why. I know why. I know why, Mommy. Because
Why?
my daddy stepped on the bird shell and it came alive and it fell. And yeah, and that happened.
Okay, is that a bird feather right there?
Oh my gosh.
See? Oh, maybe his wings are hurt and he's trying to fly, but he can't.
Yeah,
What is going on?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the craziest thing. Oh, there he is. What was that about? Okay, now he's... Oh, where is he now? He flew off. Or is he still on the fence? He flew off. Oh, man, that was a crazy sight. Right, girls? Never happened before like that. Birds are usually fast. Oh, and then we hear, like, they're probably talking about it. What? They're having a family fight up there.
And
Cool.
the nest.
See? They're just having a family fight up there.